Hey yo guys, so I have a new camera and I was really planning to do an unboxing but never got the chance to do so kasi sobrang busy. um, so I got this new camera dahil nag-birthday ako. So it was a gift from Labby Dudes, no? So binilihan niya ako ng camera and I was really planning to do the unboxing but um, since birthday month ko, medyo busy. Dami kong ginawa. Bumili pa ako ng Bulacan and ayoko naman na hindi galawin yung camera. So when I got the camera, I used it a lot na agad. Like a lot of photos that I post right now are from this camera. And ayun, I'm not gonna do the unboxing, but I'll show you the camera. So this is the camera. Uh, this is Fujifilm X half. Yan. So, ito, kung makikita nyo, as you can see, or kung napanood nyo, last time, I uploaded a video about the CampSnap Pro, and I promised to do like a photo walk using the CampSnap Pro. But unfortunately, it was a defective unit, and I sent it back to the seller. Um, and buti na lang mabait si seller. Doon talaga ako bumibili. I don't wanna mention the seller. But doon talaga ako bumibili ng mga camera gears, ng mga lights. Halos karamihan ng binibili ko doon. Kasi I really know the store and they have a physical store naman. So, ayun, doon talaga ako bumibili. So, ayun nga. So, hindi na ako bumili ng Camp Snap kasi natakot ako. Medyo, I know, it was just like around 5,000 lang naman siya. But, syempre, it's still 5,000. And, kung hindi ko magagamit or kung sira, sayang naman. So, I didn't get a new one. But, I'm also planning to get kasi that was the Camp Snap Pro and there is a new one, the Camp Snap 2, and it's almost the same price, so I'm planning to buy one as well. But ayun, binili nga ako ni Labby Dudes nito. This is uh, Fujifilm X half. Ayan siya. So let me turn this on. Yeah, there you go. So eto, I don't know if I'm not gonna do an unboxing. I don't know how can I do. Is it a review? Yeah, probably. Siguro parang review na lang yung gagawin ko. But ayun, I really like this camera kasi I've been watching videos about this camera din, mga reviews, unboxing and all. And the reason I got the CampSnap Pro is I wanted to have a camera na medyo film-like yung experience. And kasi I really wanna start doing film photography. So before I do that, kasi medyo pricey din siya, especially the film and all. Tapos yung the process then of developing the film. I wanna start here. Well, from the CampSnap Pro. Pero since sira nga siya, hindi ko nagawa. And eto, binili nga ako ni Labby Dudes. So, I wanna start here kasi this has what we call the film mode. If I'm not mistaken, film mode ba siya? Yeah, film camera mode. So, there you go. Ganyan. So, may film camera mode siya. And, ayun, gusto kong I wanna do like, or I wanna try the experience, or try to experience the film photography in a way using this. And, so far, nagustuhan ko talaga siya. Kasi, it's really small. I can bring it every day. So right now, this is my everyday carry na camera. So dapat kasi I have a Sony na parang Digicam. I forgot the name of Cybershot yata tawag sa kanya. I have one that I left sa Bulacan, and I was planning to get it to be my parang everyday carry na camera. But hindi ko na kinuha kasi nga binili ako nito ni Labi Dudes, and this is my everyday carry camera. Really like it kasi nga it's a JPEG camera, doesn't have RAW, and it's really fun to use. It's vertical oriented, so nakakatuwa kasi every time, lalo na yung bagong update ni IG na yung sukat ng vertical photos sa IG, ganun din dito. So it's the same. So every time I upload, I don't have to crop or do anything else. I just take photos and then upload it sa Instagram. I don't do edit as well. So hinahayaan ko lang siya. I just use the film, parang film, ano ba tawag nila dito? So I'm not really a Fujifilm user, no? So marami siyang mga film filter. I don't know what you call it, but and mga film simulation. Yeah, I believe it was called film simulation. So marami siyang film simulation. So yun lang yung ginagamit ko, and I do shoot photos sa kapag lumalabas ako, and nag-enjoy nga ako ngayon na I do namamasahe ako pag pauwi. So I can take photos sa bus, yan sa labas. So natutuwa ako pag ganun. So hindi ko alam. I don't know if this is a review or whatnot, but I just want to share that the reason bakit hindi ko natuloy yung photo walk ko with the CamSnap Pro is because I have a new camera. But definitely I'll do a photo walk using this once na tumigil na yung pag-ulan-ulan. Kasi medyo madalas umulan ngayon, so hindi ako nakakapag photo walk, and that's also the reason bakit 2 months ago na yung huling upload ko dito sa channel na to. Although medyo busy din kasi ako doon sa isang channel ko, so doon ako madalas nag-upload, but right now gusto ko mag-upload dito. Yun. So but I'll do another video about this camera, kasi kung makikita nyo, meron na siyang mga accessories, no? So explain ko or pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga accessories na binili ko and bakit yun yung mga binili ko, at kung magkano yung inabot ng mga accessories. Kasi although may accessories naman nakasama to, like this one and this one, tsaka yung nilalagay, yung nasa cold shoe niya, cover ng cold shoe mount ng cold shoe niya. Tapos ayun, yun lang yung mga kasama niya accessories. So bumili pa ako ng mga accessories, tapos pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga binili ko. Siguro yung mga accessories, yun ang review natin. Pero yun lang, gusto ko lang i-share na I got a new camera, and this is the Fujifilm X-Half. Peace.